Hey y'all, I'm Kris, and this is It Worth It, y'all? And today we are going to turn our 8 quarts of older, that's 2020, these are 2021, older pasta sauce into some brand new barbecue sauce, because you guys know this is June 1st and we are starting the pantry challenge. So this is our first attempt to get rid of 8 quart jars. So stick around and we'll show you how we process barbecue sauce. Okay, so this is very simple, y'all. All I'm gonna do is open up all these. And these have been canned since 2020 and 2021, and there is nothing wrong with them. You want a nose test, Greg?
Smells like tomato sauce.
Smells like tomato sauce. So these will be our first 8. Oh, and you can see we're doing some, we got some milk that's getting ready to expire. Actually, the expiration date is today, so we're making kefir as well. But you can see these are just ready to literally go in the pot. This is all we're gonna do. Now this is gonna take pretty much all day. So as we go through, and you can tell that I had different tomatoes in different batches. You see the consistency of it, it's different. This is 8 quarts. We are gonna cook this down to probably about half, I would say. And that's gonna take a long time. Then we are gonna figure out what we wanna do with flavoring. So this, what time is it? It's 8:30 in the morning. I'll let you know when we come back. I'll let you know what time it is, so you know how long it took to take this down to about half. It's gonna go down to about right here. So, all right, game on. Okay, here's the time. Now, I will say we cut this off at about 3:30, and then we got squirreled for the last couple hours. So we have immersion blended this to try to get the consistency that we want. Now what we're going to do is we're going to start, probably divide this in 2, and then we're going to start adding the spices. You see how far down it went? We're going to start adding the spices to make a couple different types of barbecue sauce. Now Greg found a recipe that he likes. So we still have a lot more to use. Right now we're going to start out with sweet onions that he's grilling up real quick. Then we're going to add the garlic. Some of the other ingredients are ketchup, which we have our reduced tomato sauce, molasses, honey, apple cider vinegar, that's W sauce, chipotle, and smoked paprika. So this is going to be a sweet and spicy barbecue sauce. So this will be the first one that we do. Oh, here, show them. We're going to take you along for this. We have the onions, the garlic, and the ketchup in here. Now what? What else is next, sir?
4 tablespoons of molasses.
1. Wow. Okay, I'm thinking the next time we do this, I'm gonna measure this out separately. 3, 4. Wow, this stuff is thick. Tastes like molasses.
4 tablespoons of W sauce.
This is the French's W sauce. I just buy it by the gallon, so I put it in one of these things. Oof, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what?
4 tablespoons apple cider vinegar.
Okay. And this is Bragg's. I love Bragg's. It's my favorite. 1, 2, 3, 4.
2 tablespoons of honey.
Honey. Okay. I just zapped this in the microwave because it's very crystallized. So if it looks weird, that's why. Okay.
4 teaspoons of Chipotle.
This is the chipotle. This is the paprika. What'd you say, 2 teaspoons?
4 teaspoons chipotle, 2 teaspoons smoked paprika.
1, 2. This is gonna be spicy. Okay, and then you said 2 of these. I love smoked paprika. It's my favorite. 2. Okay.
And let her simmer for 10 minutes.
Simmer for 10 minutes. Okay, I can do that. Oh, look at it. What do you think?
It's looking like barbecue sauce.
Oh, it smells like it too. Here, your turn.
Dark.
Stick your nose in it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. We were kind of worried we were going to have to, like, because it's just tomato sauce, if we were going to have to, like, put more sweetness in it because it's not ketchup, because the recipe calls for ketchup, but I don't know. I think we're going to be all right.
Yeah. We didn't make ketchup out of our...
No, we just spooned it out of there. Look how far down that went, y'all. Okay. All right, we're simmering. Okay, next recipe, sir. Looks like we're cooking. Wow. Here's your behind the scenes shot. Okay, we got another recipe getting ready to go. We got 3 cups of our sauce, our tomato sauce cooked down. We still have a ton left. How many recipes do you think we got left in there?
I would say 2 more.
Ooh. Okay, cool. I'm excited about that. All right, this is gonna be jalapeno, but we don't have pickled jalapenos, so we're using, I think these are serranos that I canned back in 2022, I believe is the date that I see on there. So this recipe, Greg said, calls for brown sugar.
Brown sugar.
Okay.
3/4 of a cup of jalapenos, peppers.
Which we canned these in 2022, so we're gonna use these because it's get rid of jars January, and we just got rid of a jar. Woo! All right, so I need this. So I'm gonna add this to here because I've already pre-measured this out. I just had to chop it. Okay, so that's the jalapenos. What else?
Worcestershire, 1.5 teaspoons.
W sauce, 1.5. I'm gonna use this one. Teaspoons or tablespoons?
Tablespoons.
Okay, sorry. I know I heard you, but 1/2. Okay.
3 tablespoons molasses.
Okay. One. I think I've had this molasses forever, so it's nice that we're using it.
And I'm sorry about the camera, but I'm trying to look up the recipe on my phone
and
hold the camera, and we're in a weird spot, so she has to keep going underneath my camera.
Okay. What's the next thing?
1.5 teaspoons of garlic.
Powdered. 1/2. What else?
1.5 teaspoons of salt, kosher.
We are gonna use pink because that's what we got.
1 teaspoon of black pepper.
Okay. And that's it for this one?
That's it for this one.
Okay, we're gonna stir it up and
we're gonna cook over medium heat, stirring until the mixture comes to a boil, then simmer for 10.
great. Then we'll come back whenever we've got this one jarred up as well, and we start the next one. Just stirring this. Oh my god, y'all, it is so good. Okay, and then we decided to make a sweet one, but I went ahead and got it started right here. What's in this? Ketchup. Well, ketchup.
Our ketchup, apple cider vinegar,
Okay.
brown sugar, molasses.
Oh, I didn't put brown sugar.
Brown sugar. You didn't because you were doing it in there.
Okay, I gotta get the brown sugar. I did molasses. W sauce.
W sauce, Dijon mustard,
Which I already put back in the refrigerator.
smoked paprika, garlic powder,
Got it.
salt and pepper.
Got it. Okay, so I need brown sugar, and then we're gonna do this one next. And what's this one called? Does this have a name? Or
Just
something?
sweet barbecue.
It just says it's sweet barbecue sauce. So let me go get the sweet part. Okay, we're doing the sweet one. Look, we made brown sugar. It's sugar and molasses. So, oh, here's the, let's just scrape all that out. Greg's in this one. So this is the sweet one. It's just called sweet barbecue sauce. Yeah, get all that good molasses out. That's sunk to the bottom. Still got a bunch in there.
Whole thing?
Yep. Whole thing. Just use the fork. It'll be fine. Here, give me that. Ooh, we're dropping shit. Stuff. Oops. Sorry, guys. Forgot it was Mike. Good enough. We'll use that again to make the next batch of. I've got brown sugar, but I only have a couple left, and we're in pantry challenge, so I really don't want to use it all up, you know. And I know I got plenty of molasses, and I know I got plenty of sugar, so. Cool.
All right. I need my handy dandy wooden spoon.
Okay. Cool beans. All right. Recipe number 3. We at least have one more in there. For sure got one more. All right, final one, y'all. We can clean up our mess. The dishwasher's only ran like 80 times, so it's not a big deal. What's 81? Okay, in here, we're quadrupling the batch. This is our last one. And what's this one? Does this have a name?
Hickory smoke.
Hickory smoke. So tomato sauce, honey, W sauce. Oh, no, W sauce is right here. W sauce. Okay.
16 teaspoons of white vinegar.
White vinegar. Okay. Got it.
8 teaspoons of liquid smoke.
Ooh, don't play around with it. So I'm not going to math. I'm going to literally do this 8 times. Teaspoons.
Teaspoons.
1, 2, 3, 4. This is gonna be hella smoky. 7. Okay, did y'all count? Was that 8? Okay, what's next?
4 teaspoons garlic.
1. 3 is a tablespoon, so there's a tablespoon, and then a little bit more. Okay.
Same with the onion powder.
Onion powder. Alright. Oh, look. Oh, look. Okay.
8 teaspoons smoked paprika.
Ooh, 3. 6. 7. 8.
4 teaspoons chili powder.
4.
Correct.
1. That's 3. That's 4. Okay.
And that's it.
That's it?
Well, it calls for 1/8 of a teaspoon of cayenne.
Oh, do we want to put cayenne?
No, we've already got.
No.
That's why I didn't even say, because we got enough spicy barbecue sauce made.
Yeah.
So
What sweet did we put in here? Honey?
honey.
Okay. All right. Check it out, y'all. We're going to heat this one up. This smells really good. All right, we're going to stir it up, and we'll meet you back to do taste tests here in a little bit. All right, y'all. Look, not too bad. Here is what we turned 8 quarts of tomato sauce that we needed to get rid of. Now, yes, y'all are going to be like, but Kris, you wanted to get rid of jars, and now you're putting them back on the shelf. Well, these ones we're going to put in the refrigerator because we will use these. We do not have any barbecue sauce in the house at all. And it is grilling season, y'all, and we have plans. So the only thing we had left was this was the only jar that's just tomato sauce reduced. So we ended up, obviously we weren't going to make anything. So we'll just leave this here and we'll use this for Monday. I think we're having pasta for dinner. So we're just going to use that for pasta for this coming up meal. So we made chipotle, jalapeno, sweet, and smoked. And my official taste tester is going to come in and do some taste testing. So, and these were all his picks. So that is the chipotle. What do you think?
Holy moly.
Oh, holy moly, why?
That's spicy.
Is it? Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry you did that one first. Do you want milk?
No.
Okay, what's the next one? Jalapeno.
Jalapeno.
Do you need to cleanse your palate?
I may.
Wait for it. Wait for it.
That's more sweet and spicy.
Okay.
That's just pretty much.
Just knock your...
That's almost like a 5-alarm fire right there.
Really? Okay. This is just the sweet. So think of a brand and tell them what it tastes like as far as a brand. Is it like Sweet Baby Ray's? Is it like Kraft? Is it just generic?
Mmm. That's Malls.
Malls?
Malls.
Okay. Getting fancy.
I could think of the bottle, but I couldn't think of the name of it.
Oh yeah, okay. Malls. All right. This one is smoked.
Smoke.
He freaked me out because that was a lot of smoke, but...
And this one is still kind of hot.
Yeah. I think it tastes like brisket.
It.
Tastes like bottled brisket.
You put that on a piece of bread and you think you're eating a smoked piece of meat.
Cool. All right. I think we did good. What do you think?
I think we did great.
Okay, hang on. We are not fit for camera.
No, we've been working out in the yard
All
between
day.
rainstorms.
And then we wanted to get rid of these jars, so we did it. So, hope you liked the video. Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And until we see you on the next one, bye y'all.
Bye, y'all.